Well, isang masayang Wednesday na naman to para sa inyo lahat. Marami ba kayo napamaskuhan? Well, ako, okay lang, steady lang, okay lang. Sana meron pa dumating. Well, anyways, tumuto na tayong lahat sa show na para sa inyo dahil kayo po ang tunay na stars dito. Ako po ang inyong smart boy, John Prasta. Super-close po tayo sa TFC.
To all the TFC subscribers, thank you for all your support. Sa lahat ng mga Globies, community chat, kung wala sa inyo talaga, I don't think we would have made it so far. Hopefully you guys continue to support PBA, lahat ng ABS-CBN and television shows. We're doing our best here to keep you guys entertained. We're bringing the Philippines to you, and I hope you're enjoying it. And I pray that you guys are still going to be there for us in the long run. And just like I said, maraming salamat, and you guys rock.
From Makapamilya Star, pumunta naman tayo sa Superstar. Hindi po siya ang tinutukoy ko, kundi ang Superstar balikbayan natin na maghahandog sa atin ng isang awit. Ito na siya, palakpakan natin. Video,
Hi, good afternoon.